This stunning residence goes beyond the typical sobrado layout, offering a unique and open living experience. Forget stuffy walls and defined spaces. Here, everything flows seamlessly together. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by an abundance of natural light. The first floor is practically an open-air haven thanks to a series of 4 porticos hovering above. Imagine no heavy walls, just light, airy glass enclosures blurring the lines between your living space and the beautiful outdoors. But wait, there's more to this design than meets the eye. Take a closer look at the clever structural concept. On one side, sturdy concrete pillars support the overhanging volume. On the other, a massive 22-meter-long metal truss takes center stage. Working alongside concrete beams, this truss acts as a backbone, suspending the entire house. It's a beautiful marriage of concrete and steel, creating a strong and stylish foundation. Now, let's delve deeper into the functionality of this space. This expansive home caters to all your needs. The first floor boasts inviting living areas, a well-equipped kitchen, a relaxing balcony, and even a sauna, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Head down to the basement, and you'll find the garage, dedicated service areas, and all the technical spaces you need to keep things running smoothly. Throughout the residence, wood takes center stage, adding warmth and character. The upper floor boasts stunning slatted kimmerwood cladding, while the bedrooms feature elegant shrimp-like doors. Mobile brizes made of wood gracefully shade the pool area, creating a sense of dappled sunlight and cool comfort. Step onto the balcony and enjoy the rich texture of the wooden deck, perfect for soaking up the fresh air. Even the gourmet space showcases the beauty of wood with its carbonized accents. This innovative design creates a sense of complete integration between the interior and exterior. The materials, concrete, steel, glass, wood, water, and lush vegetation, all come together to form a harmonious whole. There's no strict separation, instead, the boundaries blur, allowing plants to weave their way into the home at times and providing stunning views through expansive glass panels at others. Step outside onto the balcony and find yourself surrounded by the beauty of the landscaped area. Sometimes, the plants climb under the large poolside slab, further blurring the lines and creating a truly cohesive living environment. This residence is more than just a house, it's a celebration of light, nature, and modern living. Here's a look at the floor plans of the home.